In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Cash App to Chime. Whether you're new to these apps or just looking to streamline your financial transactions, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as simple as possible. Let's start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Balance section. The Balance section is where you can see how much money you currently have in your Cash App account. It's typically displayed on the home screen, so it should be easy to find. Next, you'll want to tap on the Withdraw option. This is the feature that allows you to transfer your funds out of Cash App. After tapping Withdraw, you'll be prompted to enter the amount of money you wish to send to your Chime account. Be sure to double-check this amount to ensure it's correct. You don't want to send too little or too much, especially if you're budgeting or have specific plans for that money. Once you've entered the desired amount, you'll need to select your transfer method. Cash App will usually give you a couple of options here, such as a standard or instant transfer. Keep in mind, instant transfers may come with a small fee, whereas standard transfers are typically free but can take a bit longer to process. Choose the option that best fits your needs and situation. After selecting your transfer method, confirm the withdrawal. This step is crucial because it finalizes the transaction. Make sure all the details are correct before proceeding. Once confirmed, your money will start moving from your Cash App account to your Chime account. Depending on the transfer method you've chosen, the funds may arrive instantly or could take a day or two to reflect in your Chime account. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw money from Cash App to Chime. It's a straightforward process, but being attentive to each step ensures everything goes smoothly. If you frequently transfer money between these two platforms, you'll find this process becomes second nature over time. Remember to always check your balances and transaction history to keep track of your finances. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your financial transactions a bit easier.